Here is the Cosmic Desktop in all its glory, and I think it looks beautiful. Here are some of the key features. It's written in Rust. Is that a feature? Well, at least it's quick, it's snappy, it's scrappy. It gets the job done. There's no waiting around, so Rust it is. You can do floating and tiling, so whatever floats your boat. Today, I'm not going to be pulling any punches. I'm just going to tell you from my experience. I don't know why I'm doing that. Dramatic. But remember, this is an alpha, heavy development. It's always getting updated. So it's fun, it's exciting, it's the new kid on the block. It's not GNOME, it's not KDE, so it's checking a lot of the boxes that I have. So initially, I installed it on top of Fedora 40, which I had been running for a while, and it was kind of a hot mess. So I could not do it to the developers of Cosmic to give my opinion. It's not a critique, it's merely 5 cents. And so I headed over to System76, downloaded a fresh image with the NVIDIA drivers and Cosmic Desktop already baked in. This is a clean setup. I did it just for my community. I did it for you. And have I been having issues? Well, I'll get to that later, but let's explore the options and what it's like to run the Cosmic Desktop. Let's explore some of the workspace options that we have. I'm currently running in tiled, have not tested floating, so can't give you my opinion on that, but tiled works awesome. So you can see the workspaces that I'm running right here. You can click like that. You can do super W like a cave person and switch like that, but hello, beautiful. You can do it like that, or you can just do super 1, 2, 3, 4. See, snappy, quick, so snappy. Are you dizzy? I'm getting dizzy. So let's not do that. So let's go back to window management settings. So you can also do super, and then you can launch whatever you want. You can do Bing. Please don't do Bing. Search for something. Bing, Iceland is small. Yes, we are, but we feel big. You can do Google something, and it's going to search for that, and your default browser is just going to magically appear with that. You can also do Cosmic settings, which we're gonna do here. So network and wireless, it just looks good. People, I did not spend 2 weeks trying to rice this and crying my eyes out and losing the rest of my hair, which is non-existent. Not running Bluetooth because I'm a boomer, people. I do not have these magical devices from the future. Desktop, wallpaper appearance, you can set accent colors. Welcome to the 80s. Slightly round, square, slightly round, round. Those are like the edges or around here. And you can set them like I am, slightly round and comfortable. I'm spacious, people. So comfortable, let's do that again. Options galore. I've not had any issues setting any options here. It remembers them, which is nice. Panel, it's a top panel over here. You can automatically hide it. I not want to hide it. I'm proud of it. It looks good. Top left, you can set anything that you want. And something that's nice. Window management settings, let's go to that. You do not have to install GNOME tweaks to like minimize and maximize Windows, which is so nice. Panel at the top, the dock. So if you want to remove these 3, you can do configure dock applets. You can remove them from here or add applets. Nice, close. Yeah, so display. Refresh rates, 240, fruity. I play Counter-Strike a lot, so as you know, NVIDIA and Wayland are a marriage made in hell, and this just works. I play Counter-Strike. I've been playing it for 24 years, and if there's something off, I feel it in my bones, and it works on Pop! OS and Cosmic. So there you have it. If you play Counter-Strike, check it out. No issues with any of my devices. I play on high performance. It's set to high performance because I'm in Iceland. We don't care about electricity. It's cheap. We make it ourselves from water. It's magic. Yes, Iceland is a magical land. Input devices, you can switch up here. It just works. Time and language. I have no issues, no complaints about any of this. But let's discuss some of the issues that I have had. If you're running Cosmic Desktop, please try this because I don't know if this is just an issue with my machine because I briefly searched online and I couldn't find anything about this. Lock your desktop. See how pretty that looks? Yes, yes. Oh yeah. Lock your desktop, turn off your monitor, and then turn it back on again and see if you have to input your password. Check out this video. I have to record this part on my phone, but check this out. Super escape. I lock the computer and this just looks pretty awesome. Let's turn off the monitor. Turn it back on. Just pressing spacebar here. And let's see what happens. And I'm back in without putting my password in. So that's something. I had to record that on my phone because OBS would just shut down if I turned off the monitor. I saw online that some people are having issues when the monitor turns off, that they cannot get back into the system, so they have to do a hard reboot. But tell me in the comments down below if you can hack your way into the system with turning off your monitor and then turning it on again. So that's one issue. So besides that, I've had 2-3 minor nitpicky issues, like the Cosmic terminal has frozen maybe a dozen times over the last few weeks. It's not been a big issue. It was annoying like once or twice when I was in NeoVim and I hadn't saved my work. So that was, yeah. But another thing is like in the File Explorer, it doesn't remember my setting of showing hidden files for whatever reason. It just keeps forgetting that. I just always want to view hidden files. And one more thing with the File Explorer is if I have a lot of files and I'm scrolling up and down randomly, it just starts zooming in and zooming out. So really, it's an alpha and that's my complaint. Stunning. I can't say much. So with that in mind, I started looking at the hardware that they have because I was wondering, like, if you have the hardware, you have the operating system and the desktop experience, everything from one provider. It's kind of like Mac OS, and I think it would be stunning to own one of these desktops. And I was just looking at the prices. They have a sale, but shipping to Iceland is probably so expensive that I'm not even looking into it. Yeah, greetings from Iceland. Hope you enjoyed this. I don't have much more to say about this, but next video is about basic Linux commands, and click like and subscribe, and see you on the flip side.